Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn how to set prices that feel right to buyers, using simple pricing psychology that top sellers use every day. Let's get started. Your prices live on your product pages. In your vendor menu, open Products, then click the product you want to price. This is the product page. Before you pick a number, think about the story your product tells. A price is not just a cost. It is a signal of quality, and buyers rate it in less than a second. Here is the price field. Try charm pricing. A price ending in 9, like 349 instead of 350, feels noticeably cheaper, and works well for deals and everyday items. Selling something premium or handcrafted? Do the opposite. A clean, round number signals quality and confidence. Open the Options tab to offer a standard and a deluxe version, or several sizes, at different prices. When buyers compare your own options side by side, the middle one usually feels like the smart choice, and your premium option makes every other price look reasonable. Keep your stock number accurate. When only a few items are left, buyers feel a gentle urgency to decide. Never fake it. Honest stock builds the trust that brings customers back. When your price feels right, click Save. Then revisit it every few weeks. If a product sells out instantly, you priced too low. If nobody bites, test a small change. Great pricing is a habit, not a one-time guess. And that's it. You now know how to set prices that feel right and sell more. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.